Welcome everyone. Today in this video we shall discuss about EVSE system. EVSE stands for Electric Vehicle Supply Equipment and its function is to supply electric energy to recharge electric vehicles. EVSE are also known as electric vehicle charging stations, electric recharging points or just charging points. An EVSE consists of the following components: 1. Power electronics assembly or charger assembly to receive, process and send the power for charging. 2. Plug, socket, charging cable, and vehicle side connector. However, there are few EVSE which are directly provided with the vehicle, which can be plugged in and plugged out before and after charging the vehicle. They are known as portable or Mode 2 EVSE. Now let us understand the concept of AC charging and DC charging through EVSE. An electric vehicle is charged using two main sources, DC and AC. In DC charging, the charger is off-board the vehicle and supplies DC power directly to charge the battery pack. In DC charging, battery pack is charged up to 80% SOC only, and after that it will start taper charging at lower current dependent on battery temperature. In AC charging, AC power is supplied from the charging station to the onboard charger of electric vehicle, which converts it into DC power to charge the battery pack. There are few terminologies that we will come across understanding of an EVSE. Level. It is an indication of charging power of an EVSE. The higher the level, the higher the power. Type. Type is used to define the connector type through which the electric vehicle is charged. Mode. It refers to power level as well as presence or absence of control signals and communication mechanisms between EVSE and electric vehicles that influences the energy transfer behavior. Now let us start with the level of an EVSE. AC EVSE provides power supply to battery through vehicle onboard charger. Levels of AC EVSE are: Level 1, uses 120 volt AC single-phase electrical outlets to supply power maximum up to 16 amperes. This is not applicable in India. Level 2, uses 240 volt AC and maximum up to 80 amperes power. This supply is single-phase and three-phase and is applicable in India. Level 3, is generally supplied by three-phase source, with specifications higher than Level 2 charging. Similarly, there are levels of DC EVSE too. DC EVSE directly charges the battery pack up to 80% SOC at higher voltage and current without any limitation of onboard charger. Levels of DC EVSE are: Level 1, is supplied at 200 to 450 volts DC and up to 36 kW maximum power, with maximum 80 amperes current supply. Level 2, is supplied at 200 to 450 volts DC and up to 90 kW maximum power, with maximum 200 amperes current supply. Level 3, is expected to have higher specifications compared to Level 2. Now let us know the types of EVSE according to type of connector. Connector is that part of the EVSE, which is connected on the cable towards vehicle side. Connectors are of various types shown in the screen with its technical details. Now let us know about the EVSE according to modes. Mode of an EVSE refers to power level as well as presence or absence of control signals and mechanisms between EVSE and electric vehicles that influences the energy transfer behavior. Accordingly, there are 4 modes. Out of that, Mode 2, Mode 3 and Mode 4 are prominently used in electric vehicles at present. Here, we can view the descriptions as per modes. Here are some of the AC and DC fast charging EVSE currently being used worldwide. Combo charging system. CHAdeMO fast charger. Tesla supercharger, which is exclusive to Tesla vehicles. Now with this we have come to an end. Hope you had a good and informative session on chargers or EVSE. Thank you.